Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Even your teacher is fine. Myself, Tanvi teacher of nursery class from Toddledom School. Children, do you know which time it is? Yes, it's the time to learn English today. So children, today I am going to teach you English. And in English, today we are going to learn one new letter today. Can you guess which letter? There's one friend who has came to meet you, and that is letter W. So, children, let me introduce letter W to you all today. Okay, let us learn about letter W. Hello, I am Molly. And today we are going to learn a new letter, that is uppercase W. This is uppercase letter W. Children, do you know what is the sound of W? W says V. What is the sound of W? W says V. W says V. Now let us see some objects which start with letter W. So children, do you know what is this? This is a well. W for well. W says V, well. Now children, you all must know this. What is this? Yes, it's a watch. W for watch. W says V, watch. Now see who came to meet you all. It's the largest water sea animal. Yes, you are right. It's a whale. W for whale. W says whale. Now children, do you know what is this? It's a wheel. W for wheel. W says wheel. Now children, can you name this object? You all might be knowing this object, right? Yes, it's a whistle. W for whistle. W says whistle. Now this is wood. W says wood. Now I guess you all know what is this. You might have saw this in your daddy's pocket. Yes, it's a wallet. W for wallet. W says wallet. Now here comes the juicy fruit. Red and green in color. Red from inside and green from outside. Yes, you are right. It's a watermelon. W for watermelon. W says watermelon. Now children, this is a wool from which sweaters are made. So W for wool. W says wool. This is a window. W for window. W says window. Now children, can you name this animal? Yes, it's a wolf. W says wolf. Okay, so children, now let us learn how to write uppercase letter W. So are you all ready for the writing? Yes? Okay, so be ready with your red and blue line book, pencil and eraser. Today your teacher is going to teach you how to write letter W. Okay? So let us start now without wasting our time. Children, here you have to write today's date. Now this is uppercase letter W. So now let us start tracing letter W. Keep your pencil on a red line. come down slanting line till second blue line. Now again go up slanting line till red line. Again come down till second blue line. Again go up till red line. This is letter W. Come on now again. Come down till second blue line. Again go up till red line. Again come down till second blue line. And again go up till red line. This is uppercase letter W. Come on now, let us try one more time. Come down, go up, come down, again go up. This is uppercase letter W. Hold your pencil on a red line, come slanting down till second blue line. Again go up till red line. Slanting line, again slanting down till second blue line. Again go up slanting line till red line. Uppercase letter W. Come on now again try. Come down slanting line, go up slanting line, come down, go up slanting line. Uppercase letter W. Make slanting line till second blue line. Make again slanting line till red line. Again slanting line till second blue line. Again slanting line till up red line. Okay. This is uppercase letter W. W says V. What is the sound of W? W says V. Now let us try without tracing part. Hold your pencil on a red line, come down till second blue line, again go up till red line, again come down, again go up. Come on now again, try it again. Uppercase letter W. Hold your pencil on a red line, slant down till second blue line, again go up till red line, come down and again go up. This is letter W. Hold your pencil on a red line, come down slanting down, go up slanting down, again slanting line. Make double V, that is W. Uppercase letter W. And what is the sound of W? W says V. W says V. Come on now, let us try again one more time. Slant down, again go up, come down, again go up. Within red line to blue line. This is uppercase letter W. Keep your pencil on a red line, come till second blue line, go up till red line, again come down, again go up. Uppercase letter W. Now children, you all have to practice the rest of the lines, okay? So children, did you all enjoyed learning letter W today? I hope children, you all have enjoyed learning and writing letter W today. So now children, you all have to search for an object at your home which starts with letter W. Okay. That's all for today. Keep practicing writing letter W. Okay children. So, bye for now. Have a good day.